Adding this little guy right here is one of the easiest ways to grow the subscriber count for your YouTube channel. The cool part is you only have to do this once and it'll show up on all your past and future videos. Before I show you exactly how to add the subscribe button or watermark, whichever you want to call it, I've got a quick question for you. How many subscribers are you currently at right now? And what's your goal by the end of 2025? Drop it down in the comments below because I'd love to see where everyone's at right now with their channels. Also, just a heads up, if your content is made for kids, you won't be able to add this feature due to the Children's Online Privacy Protection Act. So, if you're about to peace out of this video because you make content for kids, just do me a solid and hit that subscribe button before you go. Because this isn't the only video on my channel where I show you how to get started with YouTube and the ways to scale your YouTube channel. Now, with that being said, let me show you exactly how to add this feature to all your long form videos. And if you have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comments down below. All right, so the first thing you're gonna do is head over to youtube.com. And then from there, we're gonna go to YouTube Studio. And then off on the left, we're gonna click on customization. All right, once we're here, we're gonna scroll all the way down till we hit the part that says YouTube watermark. In this right here, this is where you're actually going to add your clickable subscribe link or watermark, whichever you want to call it, right in this section. So right now I have mine on there. So let me remove that and we'll add this one together. So I actually have one saved here, and the one I'm using, I'll leave down in the description below for you guys so you guys can use that. If you did want to make your own a little bit more customized, you can head over to canva.com and make one there. But just to make it a little bit easier for you guys, so you guys have something to use in the meantime, like I said, I'll leave it down below, and this is how you add it. So go to upload and then subscribe. Perfect. In this box right here, you can make it smaller, bigger. So let me bring this down just a hair. Perfect. And then done. And then off on the right, you actually have some options. You can have it where it just shows up at the end of the video. You can have it at a custom start time or the entire video. I recommend the entire video because as long as that video is playing, your viewers are going to have a chance to subscribe to your channel through the whole duration of the video. So entire video, and then when you're done, just click publish. And now we'll go to my channel. Perfect. And this is it right here. So when they hover over it, they could actually subscribe to your channel, and we'll check one more. There you go. Yep. So it's good to go. All right. Now that you've added a clickable subscribe button to all your videos, the next step is getting YouTube to recommend them. If your videos aren't reaching a wider audience, don't worry, I've got you covered. Click on this video right here where I show you exactly how to boost your video recommendations and get more views.